Hello guys, today we discuss the topic anatomy of human heart. See here the one body structure is present. This is the human body structure. Today we discuss about human heart. Okay, where is the human heart is present? Human heart is present in between the two lungs. Okay, this is the right lung, this is the left lung. Human heart is present in between the two lungs. See here compared to left lung, right lung is more space occupies. So this heart slightly sit to the where left side of the heart. Okay, next we will move to the introduction. Okay, what is the introduction of the heart? Heart contains, see, heart is the main organ in our body. Okay, and it is a cardiovascular system, network of blood vessels present. Why it is used to pump the bloods throughout the body. Heart is a cone hollow muscular organ, and size of the heart is a human fist. Weight of the female is 250 grams and male contains 300 grams. Heart contains posterior and anterior side. See here, heart contains a posterior and anterior side. Posterior means upper side of the heart, and it is the lower side of the heart. Okay, next we will move to the position of the heart. Okay, position of the heart. So already we know what is the position of the heart. Heart is, see, heart is where slightly sit to the left side. Heart is slightly sit to the left side of body, and it is present in between right and left lungs. See, it present in between where right and left lung. Okay, it is present in between right and left lungs, and it is located in thoracic cavity, and one third portion in right side, and 2 by third portion in left side occupies the heart. It is from second rib to, it is from ribs are present in our body. Okay, ribs are present in our body. It is from second rib to where, second rib to fifth rib, present in second rib to fifth rib. It occupies. Okay, it occupies. And again, we will discuss the structure of the heart. Okay, discuss the structure of the heart. Let me move. Okay, discuss the structure of the heart. Structure of the contains. See, first we will discuss external structure of the heart. What we will discuss first, external structure of the heart. So external structure of the heart contains three layers. One is the pericardium, another one is the myocardium, and endocardium. See, first we discuss. See, three layers are present like this. This is three layers are present, and this is pericardium. Okay, this is pericardium. Two pericardium contains two layers. One is the parental parietal layer, and another one is the visceral layer. So in these two, one space is present. In these two layers, one space, this is called potential space. Okay, this is the pericardium, and another comes to myocardium. Myocardium is present in between pericardium and endocardium. So this is the myocardium. In myocardium contains the cells. It is used to impulse energy from one place to another. Impulse energy from one place to another. And coming to endocardium is the innermost layer. It is used to covers throughout the heart, covers throughout the heart. Okay, and coming to what internal structure of the heart, we will move to the internal structure of the heart. Say internal structure of the heart, one septum is present. It is very important. One septum is present. Septum is used to separate the heart into two parts, right and to the left. See, so this is the heart. One septum is present in between right and left heart. This septum is known as, okay, this septum is used to separate, and two cardiac septums are present, the atrial septum and ventricle septum. So atrials are present in upper side of the heart. Here the lower side of the heart, it is called ventricular septum. So, and again we can see, we can see a neat label diagram of the internal structure of the heart. See, internal structure of the heart, we will see, wait, parts of the heart. This is the right atrium, this is the, and this is the right ventricle, and this is the left atrium, and this is the left ventricle. See, and above atrials are present and below ventricles are present. This is the aorta. This aorta arises from the left ventricle. It receives oxygenated blood. What kind of blood? Oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. These aorta, okay, these aorta is a very big structure. It, because of it carries bloods to the all parts of the body. And coming to pulmonary artery, it arises it arises from the right ventricle. It moves the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, okay, and after lungs carries the blood to the pulmonary veins. Okay, we will discuss later, and we will move to the what next, parts of the heart anatomy, parts of the heart. So already we discussed about walls. Okay, walls, what is meant by walls? Endocardium, myocardium, pericardium. So we complete this, and chambers of the heart. There are the four chambers of the heart. We know heart contains, human heart contains what? Four chambers of the heart. So this is four chambers of the heart. And walls present in between two. This is, here the tricuspid valve is present, and here the mitral valve is present. And blood vessels, artery, veins, and capillaries, electric conduction and system. So let me discuss that things. Okay, we will another next we will move to the what? Chambers of the heart. See, we will move to the where? Sorry. We will move to the where? Chambers of the heart. See, chambers, we know how many chambers are present. There are four chambers are present. There are four chambers are present. Already we discussed this. Four chambers are present. Right atrium, and this is the right ventricle, and this is the left atrium, and this is the left ventricle. These are the four chambers of the heart. See, we will discuss one diagram also. We will discuss. See, these are the vena cavas. Okay, this is the superior vena cava. What is this? This is the superior. Wait a minute. So this is the superior vena cava at the upper portion, and this is the inferior vena cava below the portion. This, through these vena cavas, the from body parts to receive right atrium. Right atrium. Okay, which kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood. Which kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood. Okay, it receives impure blood. It receives through which valve? Tricuspid valve. These valves are present. See, these valves are, tricuspid valves are present. It closes and opens, and blood is passing through these valves. Blood is passing through these valves. Okay, right atrium, it receives blood to through the tricuspid valve. It enters into the right atrium, and again it moves through the pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery to the lungs. Pulmonary artery to the lungs. Which kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood and impure blood. And after lungs, from lungs, pulmonary veins carries to left atrium. Which kind of blood is the pure blood, oxygenated blood? Okay, pure blood, oxygenated blood carries to left atrium through the pulmonary vein, and after it enters to the mitral valve, and mitral valve to the left ventricle. This left ventricle, through this aorta, passes through the all body parts. Okay, this aorta is very important. It's because of it passing the heart. A big aorta is a very big structure. It passing the heart from all parts of the body. Okay, next we will move to heart valves. Okay, What is next? We will heart valves. See, heart valves. Heart valves are, it is used to open and close. What heart valves are, what are doing? It is used to see heart valves are present like this. It is open and close. Okay, open and close. Okay, open and close. See here the atrioventricular valve is present. This valve open from upper to the lower chambers, and tricuspid valve present in between the right atrium and right ventricle. See, this is the four chambers heart. This is the tricuspid valve. Okay, this is the tricuspid valve, and this is the mitral valve. In between right atrium and right ventricle, tricuspid valve is present. In between these ventricles, mitral valve is present. So next one is a aortic valve. It opens blood flows to the left ventricle. Okay, aortic valve is left ventricle, through the left ventricle. Okay, next pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve is contains pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries carries which kind of blood? Oxygen pure, poor blood, and aortic valve oxygen rich blood contains. Okay, next we will move to where? Next we will move to sorry, wait a minute. See, we will discuss one blood passage. See here, blood passage. What is happening here? Blood receives from where? Blood receives from body parts to where? Right atrium. Right, this is the right atrium, and this right atrium moves to the tricuspid valve, and it moves to the where? Left, right ventricle to the where, and it goes to the where? Pulmonary artery to the lungs. Okay, here the vena cavas are present. After these lungs, here oxygenated blood carrying. Okay, and here deoxygenated blood carries to pulmonary vein to the left atrium to the mitral valve, passes to the mitral valve to the left ventricle to the, it passes to the aorta to the all body parts. Okay, so this is the blood passage. So this is the blood passage, and again I will move to the blood vessels. What are the blood vessels? We will discuss what are the blood vessels. Actually, we know what are the blood vessels: arteries and veins. We know, no, no, what are the blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. See, here arteries are carry oxygen-rich blood. Okay, pulmonary artery, through pulmonary artery, through expression pulmonary arteries. Okay, to the lungs. Okay. So, carries oxygen-rich blood to the lungs, and veins carry oxygen poor blood. Pulmonary veins it receives blood from the lungs, and capillaries are small blood vessels where body exchange, it is doing exchange of oxygen rich and oxygen poor. See, this is the arteries, and this is the veins, and this is the capillaries. It is exchanging, see, oxygenated rich blood and oxygenated rich blood and oxygen pure blood. Again, we will discuss one more thing, electric conduction. Okay, we will discuss what? One more thing, electric conduction. Electric conduction is, so this is what? Electric conduction. In electric conduction, it is like a electrical wire. Okay, electrical wire, it is passing from one place to another. Okay, so it controls the rhythm of pace of your heartbeat. Okay, sinoatrial node. We know sinoatrial node. It is used to send signals to make heartbeat, and atrioventricular node. It carries electrical signals from upper chamber to lower chamber. Your heart contains a network of electrical bundles and fibers. So we will discuss in one picture. This is the left branch and right branch bundle of his Purkinje fibers. So for we will discuss with one picture. So we will discuss with one picture. See here. Sorry. See, this is the sinoatrial node. Where it is arises from? It is from superior vena cava. It is below the superior vena cava. It is arises from the right atrium. Okay, right atrium to it impulses to the where first left atrium. This name is called Bachmann's. Okay, Bachmann's bundle, and it arises from the where it impulses to the see atrioventricular node. This is the atrioventricular node, and it here contains some contraction, 0.1 contraction, and again it moves to the this is a bundle of the his. This bundle of the his moves from right side, right branches and left branches also, but left branches causes another side also. This is called left bundle branch, and this is right bundle branch. This branch arises in left side, this branch arises, this is called left atrio division or fission. And same this side, these fibers are bundle of his fibers coming this right side and left side. This one is called the Purkinje fibers. Okay, another we will discuss the heart care condition, and we will want to do some exercise like this only, no? So we will discuss, see, heart disorders, heart conditions and disorders. So these heart conditions and disorders. Heart conditions in United States, all the genders are suffering for the heart and death of the people also. This atrial fibrillation is in irregular electrical impulsion in atrium. Okay, if it is caused irregular in electrical impulsion, we have to go to the hospital. And this arrhythmia, this is too heartbeat is too fast or too slow, it or irregular, it is also danger to human heart. And cardiomyopathy, it is unusual thinking, enlargement, stifling heart muscle, it is also okay danger. And congestive heart failure, it is too stiff. If it is our heart is too weak, properly blood through body weak. Okay, it causes to weak. And coronary artery disease, it build plague disease leads to narrow coronary arteries. Heart attack, a sudden coronary artery blockage, when blockage is happen and cut off oxygen part of your heart muscle, then heart attack, heart stroke is coming. And pericarditis, the inflammation of your heart is lining, pericardium is a lining. So this is the conditions and disorders of the conditions and disorders of the. And we will move to the next, what care, how to take care. Okay, how to take care of our heart. See, how can I keep my heart healthy? If you want to keep your heart healthy, first follow some health care, provide treatment plan, medications also. And you have to change your lifestyles, you have to change your height, weight, and alcohol in moderation, and eat hot healthy diet food. And exercise also, do manage your stress, meditation also very important. And smoking, don't smoke, it is also very important. So this is the anatomy of heart. So thank you.